Did you come across this?
Twitch streamer goes viral for turning their bedroom into a literal rave with pyro and lasers. I absolutely did not come across this. That looks like an insane scenario.
Yes, he made his room a rave, technically.
15-year-old Twitch streamer, Crossmouse, has gone atmospherically viral with a clip from his chaotic live streams reaching millions of people in a handful of hours.
And people party with him.
14-year-old throws a rave every time he gets killed in a game. Well, that's happening quite frequently. Let's see what happens here. So, oh, there we go.
It's a pretty small room, too. And there's lasers everywhere. It's very cool.
Whoa. So the lasers is one thing.
Yeah.
The music is one thing.
Yes.
The flames are something else.
Uh-huh.
Right? If your 15-year-old was launching the flames in the room, had the pyro going, you might be concerned.
Yes.
PJ claimed to have been killed by Crossmouse in a casual game of Modern Warfare 2. Seeing a gamer tag with the Twitch name in it, PJ checked out the stream and clipped the Unreal video. In undeniably German fashion, the 15-year-old DJ hosts raves in what appear to be the family basement, equipped with pyrotechnics, lasers, smoke machines, and a microphone. The videos are fresh out of every neighbor's worst nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
Users on Twitter have reached in massive numbers to the infectious flailings of the DJ, with comments in support of the rare display. So he's picking up steam here.
Mm-hmm.
He's getting some attention for this. And it's really hard when you're just on a web. Oh, boy, that's loud.
Sorry.
When you're just on a webcam and you're trying to make things entertaining.
Yeah.
Flames are a way that you can do that instantly.
Mm-hmm.
I also like the fact that the flames are on some type of mixer. Kind of reminds me of you.
Yeah, with my Stream Deck.
I mean, I feel like this could be you.
I mean, I don't mind having a flamethrower behind me.
I just feel like I feel like I see this and you need to step your game up.
I don't mind it.
You might have to make some enhancements over there behind your setup.
Yeah. Well, hopefully he's safe.
I think he's safe. It's just, you just hope that the way everything is set up is the right way.
Yeah, that's what
I would hope that, I don't know, maybe he's got some support. Maybe some family members are in this business. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.